Good morning, welcome to your Thursday 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have frigid air out there this morning. Going to continue to see those very cold conditions across the Wallops region for today and through tomorrow. Going to see wind chills today below 10 degrees, or from about 0 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit from this morning through the early afternoon hours. And once we reach into the afternoon hours, see those wind chills get above 10 degrees, anywhere from about 10 to 20 degrees at that time frame, but then we'll slide back down in the evening hours below 10 degrees Fahrenheit for wind chills. So it'll be very cold out there and almost uncomfortably cold at times if you are walking or doing any work outside today. We'll have partly cloudy skies with increase of upper level cloudiness this afternoon as we have a very weak system trying to move through the area for the evening hours, and for the overnight hours from Thursday into Friday, that's going to increase our upper level cloudiness over the Wallops region. Looking at our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we have a sprawling area of Arctic high pressure from the Great Lakes across the eastern portion of the United States, giving us dry but very cold conditions. Looking at our current observations across the Mid-Atlantic, we're seeing temperatures in the teens, widespread teens across the Mid-Atlantic region, some locations in the lower teens. Locations you can see in the mountains of West Virginia and also Maryland, seeing temperatures in the single digits this morning. So very cold conditions out there. We're also seeing a northerly to north-northwesterly wind here at Wallops, gusting to 18 knots just recently. So seeing those wind chills below 10 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. Here's a prog chart, or a model chart, of our wind chills for this afternoon. You can see this morning seeing wind chills in the single digits. We move into the afternoon hours, we'll see those temperatures, our wind chills start to move above 10 degrees, but only 11, 12, 13 degrees for our max today, looking at our wind chill. So it's going to be very cold out there, to say the least. And moving into the evening hours, we'll dip below 10 degrees, looking around 5 degrees for our wind chills during the evening hours today. Our current weather as of 8 a.m. this morning, looking at a few clouds at 3,000 feet, a few clouds at 15,000 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds at 330, azimuth at 10 knots, temperature 17 degrees, and relative humidity at 50%. Looking at our risk chart for today, the only risk we're going to have is that very cold wind chill. Looking at red conditions for at or below 10 degrees for this morning. Moving the afternoon, evening hours, we'll have a yellow as our temperatures do rise into the mid-20s this afternoon, and our winds will die down this evening, so that'll keep us in the yellow. And then during the early overnight time period, we'll see those temperatures drop down in the mid-teens, also with a light northerly wind. We'll see our wind chills most likely below 10 degrees, anywhere from about 0 to 10 degrees during that time frame. And looking at tomorrow morning, we'll see continued very cold temperatures with those wind chills near 10 degrees. High today around 26 degrees. We'll see winds becoming more northerly this afternoon, 9 to 14 knots, and gusty up to 18 knots. Tonight we'll have north winds 5 to 10 knots, a low temperature of 15 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies for the overnight time period, with abundance of upper level and mid-level cloudiness across the Wallops region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have that mostly sunny sky out there. We'll see an increase in upper level cloudiness, as I mentioned, for the afternoon hours at 12. Local this afternoon, we'll see a few at 3,000, a few at 12,000, broken deck at 20,000. We'll continue with that broken deck at 20,000 through the afternoon and evening hours. And once we move in the overnight hours, we'll see a ceiling develop in the mid-levels, seeing a scatter deck at 8,000, broken deck at 12,000, broken deck at 15,000, overcast deck at 20,000. That's at Friday at 2 local. We'll have a slight chance of flurry after 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's a very slight chance here at Wallops. If it does snow, it will only be some few flurries out there, so no accumulation expected whatsoever. And then for our Friday morning, looking at mostly cloudy skies with abundance of mid and upper level cloudiness. Our tides are currently normal. Looking at the next few days, for Friday into Saturday, Friday will be partly cloudy and cold, high of 35 degrees. No risks here, green chart. Looking at Friday night, mostly cloudy and cold once again. Very slight chance of a flurry near dawn. A low of 24 degrees. We'll have a mostly cloudy sky that'll keep our temperatures up just slightly comparatively what we'll see tonight at 24 degrees. We'll also have a system, stronger clipper, moving north of the region for Friday night into Saturday, and that'll give us that slight chance of a flurry towards the dawn period. And then Saturday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies and slightly breezy winds. Slight chance of a snow shower in the morning, and then a slight chance of rain/snow shower in the afternoon as temperatures warm. We'll see a high of 40 degrees on Saturday, so that will feel quite warm compared to what we've seen the last few days. It'll be yellow for precip and also winds near 25 knots. That system on Saturday looks like it should stay north of the Wallops region, those locations up in Salisbury or north of Salisbury, especially towards the Georgetown area and north of that line in Delaware. We'll be seeing a better chance of some snow showers across that area for Saturday. Could actually see a dusting of snow across the most northern portions of Delmarva Peninsula for Saturday morning into the early afternoon. That's going to complete the 8:15 daily operations weather brief for this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. Hopefully you guys can stay warm out there. We'll be back this morning at 10 a.m. and tomorrow morning at 8:15.